DJI just pulled V01.03.0330 out. Pulled it off the market like that. You want to get in on the rollback because they made a mistake? And the only way you're going to get that rollback, you must contact them, send in your account. I never knew DJI could make an error like that. Oh man, it just makes me want to go and get one of these Insta Ace Pro 2. It's amazing that a mistake could be made. Oh man, I don't know what to do now. Just go about, have fun, keep doing what you do best, film along. All the boys and kids around the world dancing like David Bowie and Mick Jagger, telling you that the camera is all that you know. Roll back, roll back, roll back, roll back, roll back, yeah. Oh yeah, man, I tell you, this is a blast. Set it up. I want one. I really do want one. Please send me one so I can get away from DJI telling the world, we got a rare experience. We pulled firmware. Did they tell you? Did they say anything at all about their issue? They just let it go on, so whoever loaded up is now stuck with an issue until a future firmware is released. If you don't get back to DJI, like I'm telling you, send them a note, and when they answer you, I'll make a topic. You want a rollback, post down below, because this is the only way you're gonna get it. I warned you when this Grayware came out, and not a soul listened. All we heard was, oh, I want H-lock, I want it off, I want it all, I want this, I want that. Well, you know, we don't want to be with bad firmware, and it's not the way to go, especially when people want the camera rushed. Yeah, that's what I want to get. I don't want to spend up to $500 today, but if I go that way, then I'm going to be with a flip screen. Well, there are a few people there. You know what you can do, man? You can record this. Even this. This is a issue. It's 3D toy application. How on earth did you do that, Fish, with 3D toy application? Well, 3D toy application is so new that it's premature. It's not matured yet, like DJI. And when DJI gets a mature camera, as well as Mishu gets 3D toy matured, I'm out of here. When you got a good thing going, it's gonna go all right. And you're gonna find something else that you may like even better. And that's how things are in life. You know, you find a camera that you love, it gets ruined. And then you find another camera that comes along, and it doesn't have what the old camera have. And you go back and forth, back and forth. I guess that's the way things are, right? Wrong? I don't know. I guess you'll figure it out on your own and say, hey, I got no issues. I enjoy what I got. It does a great job. It does what it's supposed to do. I don't see the little rare experience that people are complaining about. Do you? Such a long distance FOV, man. I tell you, you can't see anything. I gotta stop and, come back and make sure you can see it all. Oh, it must be a popular day today. Everybody's out jogging. Well, I guess DJI, you did it today. What a way to start or end or end your new year. Get your shots, get them in, because this is the only time you're gonna get those shots in. There had to be something that they had to pull off that really bothered people. But H-Log, maybe that's it. Maybe H-Log is fighting. Well, do post down below what you think it is, because it ain't your little bug that's the issue. It's something that's a little bit bigger that needed to be pulled off the show. And you're never gonna know when it's DJI doing the answering, because they like to keep the answers to drone stuff. A rare experience, a bad flight, a phenomenon, and so forth. Post down below your issue and have a great day. Record away. Record, record, record.